Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to discuss the need for data communication and networking. So, I am B. Kashinath, Senior Lecturer in ECE, working at Government Polytechnic Sangareddy. I am my present subject is data communication and computer networks. So, subject code is EC503C. So, yesterday we have discussed about the what is the definition of data, what is the definition of communication, and what is the definition of data communication, what are the applications and advantages, and how accurately and timely we are delivering the data through the data communication. So the data may be either analog data or digital data. So we are converting the analog data into digital data. So that analog data may be your text or speech or pressure or temperature, anything that we are converting the data into binary form. That binary form data we are sending through the communication. So for data communication to happen, two two uh, should be there. So one is transmitter, another one is receiver. So in between that we will be having the communication link. So that communication link may be either wired or wireless. So that is the uh, yesterday's lesson about the basics of the data communication. So yesterday we have learned what is mean by data and communication, definition of data communication, and application of the data communications. So today we are learning, so the objectives of today's learning is, on completion of the period you will able to know what is computer network and what is data communication and networking, and what is the need for the data communication and network. So what we are going to learn, yesterday we have learned about data communication, today we are going to learn so how we are doing the that data communication through the computers means computer to computer or computer to fax machine, like that. So there should be a network between two devices, so that we are calling it as what computer networks. So how we are implementing this computer network using the data communication. So that is what is computer networks, and second one is what is data communication and networking, and third topic is need for data communication and networks. So first, what is computer networks? So computer network is a set of devices called as nodes. So computer network is what? Computer network is a set of devices called nodes connected by means of media links. So these nodes can be a printer or a computer or any other communicating device. So we have two devices that are communicating through one media link. So that media link or communication media link, we are calling it as communication channel or channel. So nodes in the computer network can send or receive the data, and so for this to happen they have to follow some rules. So that rules we are calling it as protocols. So that will be explained in the next topic. So why is data communication and networking? So why we are going for the data communication and networking? So for the study of the methods, techniques and procedures, rules for data communication among the nodes in a computer networks. So what is computer network? Set of two nodes which are connecting. So how we are transmitting the data between these two computer networks. So the study of methods or techniques, procedures and rules for data communication among the nodes in a computer network for efficient, secure and reliable data transfers. So that is we are calling it as data communication and networking. So we have to transfer the data between two devices in a computer network by a communication media link. So what are the methods and what are the techniques, what are the procedures and the rules for the two devices to communicate for efficient and secure and reliable data transfer. That we are calling it as data communication and networking. So in data communication means exchange of data between the two digital systems, that may be computers or computer to printer or computer to fax machine or sending some telegram message, like that. So computer works only on the binary languages, so that is zeros and ones. So we are sending what? Stream of zeros and ones that must be transmitted from one computer to another by a wire medium or a wireless medium. The wired media may be your twisted pair of copper wires or coaxial cable or optical fiber cable, and the two computers, so one is sender, another one is receiver, maybe in close proximity, means they are within a room or may be separated by hundreds of kilometers, or tens of kilometers or thousands of kilometers, or one computer is in our room and another computer is in one another continent, like that. So hence for orderly exchange of data, the combination of hardware and software both are required. Both hardware and software both are essential for the exchange of the data between the two computers or two nodes in a computer networks. So the data communication requires networking such that accurate and timely delivery of the data is guaranteed. So the data communication requires what? The accurate sending of the data and timely delivering of the data, means there should be no misarrangement of the bits and timely delivery, otherwise we cannot get the data. Whatever we are sending the data, we are receiving the data. The timely delivery of data is also plays a crucial role. So the set of rules called protocols along with the transmission media plays a vital role in data communication networking. So whenever we are sending the data between sender and receiver, we are following some set of rules along with the transmission media. Transmission media may be wired or wireless, both plays a vital role in data communication and networking. So these protocols define what, how and when to be communicated through the transmission media. So what is protocol? How we are sending the data, what we are sending the data, when we are sending the data through the transmission media. So protocols defines the how, what and when we are sending the data between the two transmission mediums. So data communication may takes place between two devices that are directly connected by point to point transmission media, means there is a direct connection between this sender and receiver, means there is a dedicated line established between the transmitter and receiver, or devices via common shared media, means if the sending and receiving station are somewhat apart, then what we are using is we are using the shared media concept. We are not placing the dedicated channel or dedicated transmission media, we are using the shared media also. So normally it is expensive to install a dedicated link. So for to transmission to occur to point, if you want to install a dedicated line, it will be very expensive. That's why we are going for the shared media, means if the transmitter and receiver are very long apart, what we have to do, we have to use the shared resources between the transmitter and receiver by using what? The devices that are connected by means of networking devices. So networking devices plays a vital role between the sender and the receiver. So that networking devices we are calling it as switches, routers and bridges. Switches and routers connected via the shared communication media. So what is the need for data communication and networking? So why we are going for the data communication and networking. So it is needed because of the following reasons. So why we are going for need of the DCCN means, first one is efficient use of resources. We can use the resources efficiently. First and foremost important need is we can efficiently use the resources. And distributed computing, so computing will be distributed, and sharing of the hardware and software resources, and efficient data storage, retrieval and transfer. Efficient data can be stored or retrieved and transferred. And integrated services and distributed database, and cheap and efficient data transmission over long distances. So these are all the needs of DCCN. Provides robust communication infrastructures and enables the e-commerce, e-governance and e-services. So the summary of this need for what is computer network and need for data communication network is, so computer network is what? Set of devices called nodes connected by means of media links. So data communication and networking is the study of methods, techniques, procedures, rules for data communication among the nodes in a computer network for efficient, secure and reliable data transfers. So data communication and networking is needed because it offers the cheapest means of data services, allows to share the resources and so on. So dash plays the vital role in data communication. So which plays the vital role in data communication? Both the protocols and transmission media. So option is C. So protocol defines set of rules, procedures, semantics and all of the above. So the option is all of the above. So frequently asked questions in this topic is, what is data communication and network, and explain the need of data communication and networking. And the second topic in this DCCN one today I am going to discuss is difference between analog and digital transmission. Difference between analog and digital transmission.